Welcome to Commute with Enterprise. We're here to help you become a vanpooling pro. Follow these best practices to get started. Before your trip, check out the mobile app or website to view your vanpool roster and confirm your meetup spot. Plus, be sure to check your schedule too. That way, you'll arrive on time and ready to go. If you're running late, don't worry. Contact your vanpool driver or your coordinator as soon as possible, and together you'll make a plan. If you need to cancel your ride for the day, update your attendance via the app in advance of the pickup time. Then notify your driver or coordinator. Now, it's time to head to your designated meeting spot. If you're parking in a central location, we recommend leaving your personal vehicle in a well-lit place where you're authorized to park. Before your ride begins, use the app to check in for the day. To start, select Check-in and scan one of the van's QR codes. For easy access, we've placed several on your vehicle's interior windows. If for some reason you can't scan, let your driver know, and they'll check you in instead. Once you've checked in, you can sit back and enjoy the ride in a reliable, well-maintained vehicle. Of course, remember to be courteous to other riders, wear your seatbelt, and follow the Vanpool community guidelines during your commute. They're available on our website or in the welcome kit located in your van's glove box. In the case of unexpected circumstances, our expert team has you covered. Rest assured that your driver and vanpool coordinator are equipped with the right resources and dependable customer support to get you safely on the road again. When your workday ends, meet your group back at your parking spot for the ride home. Please try to be on time, but we understand that plans change. If you're running late or need to cancel, contact your driver. If you need a ride outside of your normal hours, we can also help arrange a way home according to the terms of your vanpool agreement. Contact your coordinator for more information.